Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Stumble Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings for the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Stumble Guys game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to change your control settings, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now tap on the input option, and you can now change the input option for both your controller and your keyboard. Tap on the open button for the respective controller that you wish to reassign. And now you will see all of your controls. You can add up to 2 inputs for the same task by using the secondary option. If you wish to change any control, just tap on the primary button that has already been assigned, and then you can tap on your desired button when it says waiting for input. You can change the control pattern for both the classic, the driving as well as the shooting options. And once you are done, you can tap on the close button. And there is also the option to modify the controller icons based on what kind of controller you are using. After making all of your desired settings, your changes will automatically be saved, and now you can start playing the game with your customized controls right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Stumble Guys game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.